Welcome back. You're still watching Perspective, and we're still talking to Charles Guinot on taxes, something that I don't really enjoy, but you have to do it. You were talking market. Can you explain a bit more about? I caught the end bit of it. What do you mean by market in that sense?
So the concept of the marketplace basically is to say, we would have all those companies declaring their taxes through our application.
All right.
And the idea is to put them in relationship between one another. So this way, if you want to advertise any product to the companies that are declaring taxes through our application, right, it's easy for you. You can just place an ad in our application, and that's how you promote your product. So with this business model, which is a bit tricky,
you actually pay for the system.
Exactly, and
right,
this way we have a free tax software for Indonesia,
right,
we have a free tax software for the taxpayers, and on top of it, the taxpayers, they receive nice offers in our product, and they can also promote their own product.
Yeah.
So everybody wins with this model.
And when you say you have filing tax, but you have the accounting bit, you have separate application?
No, the idea for us, I mean, it's just like, for example, tax consultants.
Right.
We are not tax consultants. We really focus on the software.
Yeah.
But we can have a lot of tax. We already have a lot of tax consultants using the product, and there, through our product, you would find tax consultants.
Okay.
If you have
so you're the medium that provides the network.
Exactly. If you have an accounting software that you want to sell to Indonesian companies,
right,
we can integrate with you, and then as they create an invoice, for example, in your accounting software, the invoice is already in their tax application.
Right. With everything that is online, mm-hmm, my primary concern is security. I don't want my data leaking all over the place. Sure. I mean, how much I'm paid, how much I pay in taxes, how much I swindle in taxes.
Yeah, you're not the only one.
How do you guarantee that?
But the way we for sure we understand that security is a concern for everybody.
Yeah.
The way we prevent it is it's really deep in our process, in the management process of the company. We are working very hard to get ISO 27001 certification, which is the same level of security as the bank, basically. So it's really a management process, taking care of employee screening before we recruit them, taking care of database encryption. Right. So it's really complete system, where we manage the security of the data.
Who's supervising or auditing you in that sense?
But for now, we are working in-house. After, we have different consultants and so on to help us. The tax office has helped us a lot also.
Right.
When they went to audit us, it forced us to really fine-tune every server we had, every network we have, and so on.
Well, what would you say would be the main problem that you're facing? Is it a question of network? For example, online in Indonesia is not really like...
No, in fact, is the main problem we have today, I would say, is that companies might not trust the system yet. Our users, they don't really trust the system yet. They are wondering if it's approved or not. Mm-hmm. They are wondering how it's working and so on. So
but doesn't the government, the tax office, promote this thing?
Yeah, they're helping us. We had a meeting yesterday with the person in charge of the pajak.go.id.
Right.
So they are helping us promote the system. But
so it's not within that system?
We are not the tax office.
Right.
We are independent from the tax office,
right,
but we've been working together in partnership with them to build that system.
Okay.
We are integrated with them technically, and we are in partnership with the tax.
So this is a question of trust, whether you can use your...
Correct.
And how are you dealing with it?
We're trying to we're doing our best to simplify the application, and we are promoting the DGP decree that we had, the official decree that was appointing us.
That your company is appointed. Okay. But still, I don't know. Security is
our concern as well. Mm-hmm. I don't want to start having problem because we leaked the data of every company. This we cannot do. Is there any way you can seek I don't know a security certification? That's what we are doing. ISO 27001
through that one
is the certification that is required by the banks.
Right.
So that's what we are implementing in-house, in fact. Right.
And it's full. You can say that this system, this software, is actually fully recognized by the government.
Completely. Every time you file, you will get an official receipt that was given by the tax office. In fact, not by us.
Right.
You will get an official receipt that we give to you. So that if tomorrow you have a tax audit, you show the auditor, here is my receipt, I filed my taxes.
It's recognized.
And it's the official receipt.
So it is also sort of integrated with the
Correct.
Pajak Online?
With Pajak Online,
with the online tax system?
It's integrated, yeah. It's exactly the same e-filing that you have for individual taxpayers.
Right.
The way it's working for corporate taxpayers is you go through us.
Right.
We are a channel of e-filing, in fact.
Right.
So we have a server that is inside the network of the tax office already.
Okay. So integrated it is.
Fully integrated, yeah.
Okay. 5 minutes again.
Yeah.
We have to break. Sorry. We'll continue after the break.